Okay, let's talk about winning that war on noise and getting your quiet space back. So, is your home just constantly under attack from traffic, construction, or other outside noise? Well, there's actually an engineered solution for this. It's called noise reduction fencing. Basically, these are special fences built to block or just absorb noise from busy roads. So, how do they actually pull this off? Well, it comes down to two main strategies. You can either block the sound dead with dense materials, or you can absorb it like a sponge. All right, so which material is the right one for you? This is a really huge decision. Timber's a great option. It's a natural sound absorber, so it basically soaks up those waves. Now, if you want to just flat out stop the noise, masonry walls are the way to go. As you can see, there's a trade-off here between cost, looks, and how well each material works. And hey, this isn't just some random idea. These barriers are officially recognized for a reason. But here's the catch. The best material in the world means nothing if it's not installed right. You see, sound is kind of like water. It'll find any little gap to sneak right through. So to get it right, you need three things: zero gaps, the perfect height, and a pro install. So to recap, fences either block or absorb sound, and your choice of material is key. So I'll leave you with this. What would you do with a truly quiet, peaceful space?